should I move?
Hey, good morning, guys. We're here at Echo Lake. It's about 3:45 a.m. We're going for Chicago Lakes. We're going to get in some great hiking, photography, and hopefully some videography today. See you all out there on the trail. All right, guys, we are here at the lower Chicago Lake. It's about 6 a.m. Sun's starting to come up. There's a lot of fog out, a little cloudy out, no wind, a couple small gusts of wind, but other than that, it's very sustainable. Lake's mostly thawed out, which is cool. Some of it's frozen, but let's bust out the tripod and start taking some pictures. We're all done playing at the first lower Chicago Lake. Now we're gonna head on up to the second one. So not sure how to get out of here the way we came in here. Holy, look at that, that's cool. You can even see that, look at those edges. It's a sawtooth. Anyway, we're gonna head on out of here and get going to the second Chicago Lake, upper Chicago Lake, out here in Mount Evans Wilderness. It's a beautiful morning. Bluebird skies are back out, and it's turning out to be a great day. Here you can see the current conditions from lower Chicago Lake to upper Chicago Lake. Still a little bit of snow on this trail, and a lot of it's melting, causing for a nice slippery, muddy transit from the lower to upper lake. Yeah, may want to wait a couple of weeks if you don't want your feet getting wet until this snow completely melts out, but it's nothing too crazy. Well, I think it's time that we're gonna have to bust out the micro spikes. It's pretty steep going up this, and it's nothing but snow. We have made it to upper Chicago Lake. Sun's peeking out of the clouds, shining bright, starting to warm up a little bit out here. It's a beautiful day, the bluebird skies are out. Some rain clouds are hanging around the mountains, which there's supposed to be storms later today, but that's pretty much every single day from here on out as summer's approaching. We are in the Mount Evans Wilderness, right next to Mount Evans Balding, so that is going to be expected. This lake, believe it or not, is completely thawed out. If you're into fishing, now's the time to get on up here. I'm sure this lake's full of some trout. Have a good old time up here casting the line. It's a pretty cool lake. Definitely has a alpine feel to it. I don't know the elevation of this lake, but I'll post it in the video as soon as I figure that out. It is about 40 degrees out right now. I've got my down jacket on. Not too bad. Wind very light. Gonna find the spot to post up and try and take some good pictures and get some good footage for y'all. Alright guys, well there you have it. There's both upper and lower Chicago Lakes hike. All trail says I'm at about 5.5 miles, even though we did go off trail a little bit to get to the lower trail. Alright, we're back here at Echo Lake. Got in 10.5 miles. It was a pretty good hike up to upper Chicago Lakes.
Go under, I want to see your butt.
Emily's shooting some ducks right now. One thing about this hike, just be aware that when you come back, there's quite a bit of elevation gain on the way up. So you start off going down, very rocky trail, and then it kind of flattens out, and then you slightly gain some elevation going to the first lake, quite a bit of elevation to the second lake, and then you just do it all over again. There's a lot of ups and downs. Great hike, great to get out here. Views are pretty awesome. Wish we could have pushed to Summit Lake in Mount Evans, but that's for another day. If you like the content that you see, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, smash that like button. I could greatly appreciate it. Until next hike, catch y'all around.